Hello and welcome to my segregation sort program demonstration. I'm going to run through the test cases right now. I mostly used a solution from the Helfrich. And these are the test cases that I identified last week. The first one is the empty array. It's going to return an empty array. A test case with duplicates, so there are numbers that repeat themselves in this array. There's a single element, which is just a one element array. And there's an element with an array with two sorted sublists, and it's supposed to combine these two and sort them. A small size array, and we've got an already sorted array, a reversed sorted array, and an array with negative numbers. It's supposed to sort that one. Yeah, so basically I'm gonna run the code, and there we go. It has the sorted and the unsorted versions of each of these test cases. And that is it.